Happy to check. 22. Go to 2. Go to 22. Odin 22, expect Charlie Taxi departure. 22, expect Charlie Taxi departure. 22, go 14. 22, go 14. 22, confirm ready. 22 ready. Copy. 22 power. Visual. 1. 22 saddle. 1. 22 close right. 1. 22 push 1 2. 1 2. 22 SN right. 1. 22 check your landing lights. 22 copy. 1 indicating 90. 22 90. And 22 request change. 22 in change. 22 in change. 22 close left. 22 SN left. 22 push 20. 20. 22 in change. 22 in change. 22 close right. 1. 22 SN right. 1. I request wind change in the turn. Left turn or right turn? Right turn. Left turn and then you will continue left turn and it will be inside the side. Copy. 22 in change. 22 in change. 22 close left. 22 SN left. Copy. 22 in change. 22 SN right. 1. Is it possible to perform the same thing in a right turn, please? Copy. 22 in change. 22 in change. 22 close left. 1. Ready for join and depart. Copy. 2 for join and pattern, the right brake heading 090. Right brake heading 090 22. 1. Cleared. 22, side brake 430. 1, 440, join inside 9 over knot. Join inside 9 over knot 22. 22 close right. 1. 22 SN right. 1. Ready for next. Copy. Left brake heading 150. Left brake heading 150 22. 22 visual. 22 saddle 430. 430 Join inside 9 over knot. Join inside 9 over knot 22. 22 close left. Ready for next inside. Copy. Left brake heading 060. 22 negative. Right brake heading 060. 22 right brake heading 060. 1. Visual. 1 410 meter, join inside 9 over knot. 22 SN left. Ready for outside. Copy. So it would be a right brake heading 090. Right brake heading 090. 22 visual. 1. join outside 900 knots.
Join outside 900 knots to 2. Estimate.
2-1.
Ready for next.
Copy. Right bike heading 160.
Right bike heading 160 to 2.
2-1, 3900, join outside 900 knots.
Join outside 900 knots. 2-2 right. 2 visual. 2-2
Copy, join F1 right.
Join F1 right to 2.
Heading 60, 80 knots.
Heading 60, 80 knots to 2.
Close right.
F1 right.
2-1.
Ready for next.
Copy, left brake heading 140.
Left brake heading 140.
Outside 900 knots.
Outside 900 knots to 2. 2-2 close left. 2-2 right. 2-2 F1 right.
2 right parfait.
Et 2-2 right.
Copy, left brake heading 0900.
Left brake heading 0900.
2-1, 370, just outside 900 knots. 2-1. 50, we have 15 minutes remaining. Left brake heading 2. 360, join outside 900 knots.
Join outside 900 knots to 2. 2 close right.
2-1 is maintaining heading east to 2 taking north.
2 closing.
Down away. 2-1 climbing 2000.
2-2 closing 2000.
2-2 take heading 0900. Turn in. 2-1 climb. 2-1 visual. 2-1.
Ready for next.
Copy. 2-1 maintaining heading north, 2-2 is taking 0900.
2-2 heading 0900.
Turn away.
2-2 turn away.
2-2 taking north.
2-2 visual. 2-2 saddle.
2-1.
2-2 will be ready. After return.
We have time for lap visual setup if you want.
Yes, et ferme à la fois.
Copy. 2-1 maintaining heading 180, 2-2 take heading 270.
2-2 heading 200.
Turn away.
Turn away.
2-2 take heading 180.
2-2 heading 180.
Turn in.
Turn in 2-2.
copy, we are reducing 80. Copy, we'll overtake you by your right. Quoi? Très bien. Pour
2 210.
Join up Eston left.
Estimate 1. 1 process. 1 SMS.
Navigating 80.
102.
Turn devolution.
Saddle 240 liter.
Join up inside 9 knots.
Inside 9 knots. 2 diesel.
To 2,100 feet and 100 degrees.
210, diesel to 1, close right. And joining S1 right to 1. 1 S1 right.
80 to 1. Report, call. 290. Left, right, heading 270. Left, right, 270. First visual. 2 and saddled 230 liters. 230 liters. Join up, inside 9R0.
Inside 9R0.
Close left. 200. Auto ready. 290.
Right right, heading 240, 21. 1 diesel. Saddle, 20 meter.
Inside 9R0.
Inside 9R0. Left 1. Left 1.
290.
Right right, heading 210, 21. 1 diesel. Saddle, 220 meter, 21.
Joker for Tutu. Join up, inside 9R0.
Inside 9R0, 21. Close right 1. 1, left and right.
290. Radio outside.
Left right heading 230, 21. Saddle, 200 meter, 21.
Join up, outside 9R0.
Outside 9R0.
2 Joker.
21 close. 1, left and right. Saddle, 190 meter, 21.
180. Join up, outside 9R0.
Outside 9R0. 21, close. 1, S1 left.
290 for diesel setup.
Heading east 1.
Tutu radio check. ICU 5. Tutu, you will take heading east. South, sorry.
Heading south 1.
Sorry.
Turn in. 1 diesel.
Provision.
1 setup.
Copy. It will be end of work. It will be 10 minutes left. If you want, you can perform Echelon until Orange Street.
Can we perform last diesel setup in Bamboo Alpha?
Yes, you can. You take heading south, and I will take conserve heading east, and I will be with Avignon and Orange approaching south.
Taking it south to 1.
Far away.
Far away.
So go channel 1, 2.
Go channel 1, 2.
You will take heading east.
Heading east to 1.
Turning.
Turning to 1. 1 diesel.
Tutu visual.
1 saddle.
Copy. And one will get from the opposite information
I follow the radio contact to 1. 141.
So, Martin 2-1, we will perform wing approach confine area on Frato 32.
Wing approach confine area, Frato 3221.
Copy. Reducing 609.
609, 21.
Indicating 40.
402.
Copy 12.
1 over.